If you shit the bed every time someone says,
I need to think about it.
I want you to try this method. It's the most annoying thing to get to the end of the sales call and hear that. So you need to be prepared for the hardest part of the sales call. The very first thing you need to do is diffuse the situation. Relax. Deep breath. Okay, James, I understand. I need to think about it too sometimes when I make big decisions. But before you go away and think about it, can I ask you a quick question? They should say yes. Then the first thing you do is you reaffirm. Just so I'm clear, do you actually think that what I showed you is going to help you? Hopefully they should say yes. If they say no, you probably fucked up the pitch somewhere. The next thing you need to do is gain some clarity. Okay, cool. So like, what part of the program do you think is going to help you the most? Just let them sell the program to you. Then we need to work out, is it logistical or is it fear? Okay, so you think this can help you and you think that this part of the program helps you the most. So is it more of a financial thing, or do you need to speak to your partner? Like, I just want to get a bit of clarity on what you need to think about. Now we've diffused the situation and we've worked out that they believe in us. So now we can ask that direct question of what do you need to think about? If you come out the gate saying, oh, what do you need to think about? They're going to just walk away. Let's just imagine it's a financial thing and they say, oh, it's the finances. You might be like, okay, so is it a case of you just can't afford to pay £2,000 for the program right now? Or you don't see the value of investing the £2,000 in your health and fitness. Now, if they say they just don't have the money right now, that's when you can offer a breakdown. Okay, cool. So if it was to break it down into a more manageable process for you, maybe like monthly or split payments, would that work better? If they're serious and they're not a bad lead, then they will say yes. If they really don't have the money, but they just said they love the program and they say no, it's logistical, they literally ain't got money. But 9 times out of 10, if they're a good lead and they believe in you, close the deal, take the monthly payment, Bob's your uncle. If you want my 6-figure sales script that allowed me to generate over 100K in fitness sales, drop me a DM, I'll send it over. Peace.